Friday, known as Jummah in Islam, holds a revered position within the Muslim community. Often described as a day of Eid, it is a time for spiritual reflection and communal gathering. As we embrace the blessings of this day, many Muslims greet one another with expressions of goodwill. Among these greetings, the phrase Jummah Mubarak has gained popularity. But what is the significance of this greeting, and is it permissible within Islamic tradition? If you found this information valuable, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Exploring the roots and authenticity of Jummah Mubarak. In this discussion, we delve into the roots of the practice of congratulating on Fridays and explore the authenticity and acceptability of saying Jummah Mubarak. By examining the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, the insights of renowned scholars, and the practices of the companions, we aim to provide a clear understanding of this expression's place within Islamic customs. Is saying Jummah Mubarak permissible? In principle, offering greetings on blessed days is permissible. A good example is the practice on Eid, where it is established that the companions would say to each other, Taqabbal Allahu minna wa minka. May Allah accept from us and from you. Similarly, saying Jummah Mubarak is permissible. However, if someone considers it necessary or believes it to be an established Sunnah of Friday, it then becomes a Bidaah, innovation. Scholars have noted that if one deems something in Islam, which is desirable to be necessary, this can amount to Bidaah. The scholarly perspective on Jummah Mubarak. There is no mention in the Sunnah about our beloved Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, or his companions congratulating each other with Jummah Mubarakah. Therefore, it should not be considered a Sunnah. It would be incorrect to establish this as a fixed greeting on Jummah and make it a common practice where Muslims feel they must say it every Friday, thinking something is missing if they don't. However, a believer is fortunate and blessed to witness the blessings of Friday. Thus, when one congratulates others with Jummah Mubarakah as a greeting for a happy occasion, there is nothing wrong with it, just as with other occasions like Eid and Ramadan. Is it Bidaah to say Jummah Mubarak to fellow Muslims? There is no textual basis for the phrase Jummah Mubarak, Blessed Friday, in the works of Hadith, Fiqh, etc. However, as discussed, it is permissible to congratulate someone with such a phrase based on the general permissibility of congratulating Muslims for special occasions such as Eid. Eid Mubarak and Jummah Mubarak. The majority of jurists permit giving congratulations on Eid, Mawsu'a Fiqhiyya Kuwaitiyya. Ibn Amir al-Hajj, a 9th century Hijri Hanafi scholar of Egypt, deemed it recommended due to numerous sound narrations related to the companions using phrases like, May Allah accept from us and you, Taqabbal Allahu minna wa minkum. It is narrated in well-authenticated narrations that our Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, taught us that Friday is an Eid of the Muslims. Ibn Majah, Sahih Ibn Hibban. Based on reasoning by scholars like Ibn Amir al-Hajj, we know that Friday is a day of much blessing, where one's works are accepted, sins are forgiven, and prayers are answered. Conclusion: understanding the permissibility. In light of the above, there is nothing wrong with congratulating a fellow Muslim on Friday with a phrase such as Jummah Mubarak. Although newly invented as a phrase, its meaning aligns with the Islamic viewpoint of Friday and its merits. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the suggested videos below. They might be just what you're looking for. Join the conversation in the comments. Do you say Jummah Mubarak? How do you greet your loved ones on this blessed day? Don't forget to let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.